Sometimes, you may have set a PIN for your SIM on your Apple iPhone. If you've set a PIN for your SIM, others won't be able to use it on another device without entering that PIN. Only then can they use the SIM. In this video, we'll explain how to change the SIM PIN you set on your Apple iPhone. For this, open Settings. In Settings, you'll see an option for Mobile Service. Click on Mobile Service. Then, scroll down. As you scroll, you'll find an option called SIM PIN. Click on this option. Once you do, you'll see the Change PIN option. Click on Change PIN. First, you'll need to enter your current PIN. After entering the current PIN, click the Done button. Once you do, you'll be prompted to enter a new PIN. For example, I'm entering a new PIN here. Then, click the Done button. Next, you'll need to confirm that PIN again. For example, I'm confirming the PIN here and clicking the Done button. Once you click it, the PIN will be changed. That's how you can easily change the SIM PIN on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.